want a lot for Christmas.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. And you see me I flash me ear now go on because the dolly up. Now dolly down, you know, my dolly up. What say? Wait until I'm ready for showing the real glow up. Right this up. So me know say I be slacking with my videos. Coming up posting about 3 to 5 days. About 3 to 4 days now. And I'm sorry bad. I'm sorry. But guys, I'm back with the thing, and please like, comment and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. And today's video is going to be about when I was wrongfully accused I'm gonna eat Miss Campbell cupcake and her ice cream and tell them the story. So let's start with the story, guys. So this family member come from foreign. I'm not gonna tell you no her name or how she related to me because I know you know. So this family member will come from foreign. Her friend and her friend's son came to Jamaica in 2019, and from we go to the airport and meet them, the boy did a look at me. Like I went to the airport with me, my sisters, and I went to the airport to meet them and all that. When I got to the airport, my sister said to me, say, the boy look at you. I said, I not see my look at me. I not see my look at me. Me not pay my mind, because first of all, it wasn't even my type, guys. So, me see my look at me, and I say, okay. I never met that, like, no, not met it, because it wasn't my type, as I say. So, we went back to where they lived, like, to where my relative's friend was living, that is in St. Mary. We went to St. Mary. Camille living in St. Catherine, but because my relative was staying with her friend, we just go stay with them too. And me tell her say we did with that St. Mary, we go all over the place. I saw a foreigner coming us, you know, so they must spend up them money and go them places and this and that. So we go to St. Mary and we enjoy ourselves, and we go beach, we go Dunn's River, we go restaurant, we go bar, we go everywhere. We go party, we go family reunion, we just go. I might tell her say me and the boy, we built a friendship relationship, and because my relative had his mother has like our sister, close friend, I just call the boy my cousin, right? So one time, a family reunion, like little bit before them leave, they had a big family reunion in St. Mary with their family, because not my family, you know, a family friend. So we had a big family reunion, and me and him end up a talk about something really personal. With a talk, him said to me, say, if I have a boyfriend, and basically him said, like me I tell him, I say, yeah, I have a boyfriend, and him nice and him cheap, but good. Like me I tell them they be single, but I have a boyfriend. I say, yeah, I have a boyfriend, and him nice and him cheap, but good. Because I didn't know where the conversation was going, even though me would have him as my cousin, I didn't know where the conversation would go. So I just start tell like, I say to him, say, yeah, I have a boyfriend, him say, him have a girlfriend of foreign, and he might show me picture and this and that, and him say I have another girl, and the girl give him head and him something there, and he must start to tell me after putting myself, okay, I guess this is his way of, you know, building a bond, talking to me about his personal life. I'm like, okay, tell me more. And then he started to tell me more and something, and we always talk, and we always from that we just kind of get closer because we start talking about personal life. So way after them left. So them left today. Tomorrow, I get a call from a relative. No. My phone got blew up. Blew up. Not even blown up, blew up. My relative texting me that, hey, you're drunk, bro. You're dirty girl. Me can't believe you embarrassed me. Big voice note sound, and she come back to Jamaica. She go fly kicking and thump me in my face and lick me down and mash me up. So I can't even eat my food. I can't even eat it. So she go mash me up and lick me down and this and that. So I was like, where talk about? Where you want to do me them things? I read person, yeah, send the message or so. Because I just brought her to the airport like yesterday. So how this I come out today, like I just hugged you for you to go on a plane yesterday. And then she started blew up my phone. I had a Samsung S7 them time there. Child, and my phone was overheating. She blew up my phone like hundreds message and voice note. Tell me she got lick in my face when she come back to Jamaica. Me like, what happened? She said to me, say, the boy tell him mother say, me want him and me want sleep with him and me want sex him off. Guys, when I think boy, my body just get cool. Him tell him mother, that's him mother saying to her now. Say, me want sleep with him. So she tell me, say, me a dusty girl and me a whore. And the boy is supposed to feel a way. Because she cherished the boy now. She cherished the boy. She said the boy is her son. And this and that. Boys, my relative, you know, my blood relative. Remember, I said, I'm not fear people, let me know. She's my close relative. And she said, the boy not telling a lie. I said, me ball. Them time that was a, them time that me a pitney. So just imagine, yeah, pitney, you know, as somebody said that boy, yo. So I started to cry. And me a ball. I said, no, me a scream. I said, no, me not do that, me not do that. And my sister, tell my sister what happened. And she said, give me the phone. I tell her, I said, nothing like that. And my sister starts with her. I just told her, I said, nothing like that. Makhalia, nah, do that. And she said, get your facts right, because I know my sister nah do that. Because you see me, my people them know me. Me not gonna just come to you and say, oh, like, who does that? Like, not me. So my sister knows someone not do that, you know. So my sister, like, she was in an argument with her, and her sister to her, I said, no, don't do that. I get her facts straight, because you know, so they see our friend, I want big liar, and our friend not treat her good, right? So she should believe that. You see me? Because her friend is she's a pathological liar. You see me? So my relative even tell my auntie them. She tell everybody, she tell my brother them, she tell me auntie them, she tell me other sister them, she tell everybody she tell say me a workless girl in the people. Just imagine that you want pitney. Me I was about 15, 14 people. And just imagine that I go around boy and no it's not true. Me say people ball. And me say you see, me have to tell the story, you know, because the thing about the story, it does hit me different. You see me? My ball and me hate the boy, and me hate her, me just stop text her. Me stop deal with her, me stop text her. Me say, yo. Me say, yo. I say, me believe in a God, you know. Me know so me believe in a God. And me say, time of the master here. And everything when in the dark, I will come in the light. Few years after, she asked the boy, finally, you know, the boy and her friend living in the same house. They in the same apartment. Not apartment, in the same house. They live in. She, must say 2020, she asked the boy from 2019 to 2020, you know. Or 2021. I think I did this year, she asked him, you know, from 2019, you know, people. So she asked him, I said, that really happened? The boy said, no. No, she never do nothing like that. Men I never have them conversation they like that, but in a relationship or nothing. In the boy said, oh my god, you know, say I'm tonguing because he's American. Boy said, oh my god, she must hate me. She must hate me. And then something like that. I said, people, I was like depressed because I was trying to like get them to hear me, like they weren't hearing me at all, and I was like how can you believe something like that? Even if she was going to believe it, at least hear my side. She was so adamant in saying that poop you do that because the boy mother said. At 2020, why it took her 2 years to find out the truth, because 2019 she believe it. Me and her not dealing with people. Me not deal with her because I say to myself, say, if something like that happen, I you know come to me respectful and say, Makhalia, did you say that? I hear the two story them from the person them who inna the blasted. Me get angry now, man, people, because me live with that. And I never ever forgive her for that, people. Because just imagine, put yourself in my shoes and somebody, a pathological liar, accuse you of something, and your relative, your blood relative, I go just take it up and run with it and just have a name a scandal out. You know, so I'm telling you, say, guys, this is a story, man. This is a well story. This is a story. I'm telling you, say, parents, sisters, relatives, parents and relatives of teenagers or young people, please listen to his side, because more while we tell the truth, you know. We tell the truth, and I tell us, people, she begged for my, sometimes she call me back and she call me and she tell me, say, she asked the boy and the boy I said nothing like that. She begged for my forgiveness in the people, and I say, no, I'm forgive you, you know. I forgive you, because you don't have much sense. You're just, but just forgive her. At that time, she called me back and she said, please forgive me, and I never really and this. I say, you're good, man. But you say deep inside, I never forgive her. Because you see, when I tell a story, I get angry. You see me? So I know some I forgive her. We don't deep with him, because I tell you, the amount I cry. The amount my self-esteem was broken, because people, you know, say people who would I say, oh, the girl look like nicey, and now I say, so she did stay. You understand? So yeah, so she broke me. Me, I tell you this fair fact. She broke me. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell to be notified. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're old here, if you're a chocolate baby, if you're in the chocolate gang, don't forget to leave a fire emoji. Not even a fire emoji, because this is like a depressing video. So just leave a comment on what you want to say. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Oh, my hair is by Makhalia Protective Hairstyles on Instagram, so you guys can get your locks, get your braids, get everything in. Wait until the daddy done. Period. Bye.